we respond appropriately. Third issue on question of law. What does the law say on where public participation is supposed to be done? Is it in the sub-counties or is it in wards? Is there any elected or nominated member of the county assembly representing a sub-county? As we are here, all of you represent wards. Public participation is ward-based. It is not administratively based on the national government. It is an election-generated mechanism that allows people as constituted in the elective positions, elective places, they make decisions based on the wards. By identification of them being voters in that ward, being beneficiaries of government services from the county government of Embu, of Meru, to those wards. There is no national member of parliament here who represents a constituency. And that is why we are saying we needed to have that report and tell it that it is not proper. The public participation, if ever it was done on a wrong path, on a wrong locality. Lastly, on a question of law still, who was the public participation targeting? Look at the summons. The summons are in regard to a person called Notice of Motion for the Removal of the Governor Meru County, Honorable Bishop Kawira Faith Mwangaza. Who is that person? When my brother stands and gives you the documents of the true name of your governor, you were present. You were present when she was being sworn in by the judiciary. There was nobody sworn in by the judiciary called Bishop Kawira Faith Mwangaza. We have the judiciary certificate here. It is public knowledge. You have the deed poll that was sworn way back in 2012. Change of names. Public participation was done for a stranger. My full names are Dunstan Omari Mugaka. If you do public participation for Evans Omari Dunstan, that is not the governor. Are we properly here with the right person being the subject of this investigation? Those are 4 critical legal questions that I have very firm instructions to seek a ruling from the Speaker, whether technically and legally we are properly constituted and ready to do business of the removal and defending the removal or defense of a stranger. Honestly, we cannot impeach a stranger called Frida. We can't. That Frida has never taken an oath of office as the governor of Meru. That public participation was targeting a stranger, total stranger. And that is why the standing orders cannot allow me to sit there. I'm a stranger. You have reserved is for strangers, how do you discuss a stranger? Those 4 points, I'll allow Mutuma to reinforce them. Mwenda, on those issues of law only, Mwenda can produce the documents so that the speaker gives a ruling. You have a good case. You have a good case. A fantastic case. A fantastic case. But procedures and the rule of law cannot, shall not, will not be bent under my watch.